Quartz is one of the most well-known minerals on Earth. Quartz is also the most varied of all minerals, occurring in all different forms, habits, and colors. It occurs in basically all minerals environments and is the important constituent of many rocks. There are more varieties names given to the quartz than any other minerals. Although the feldspar as a group are more prevalent than quartz. As an individual, mineral quartz is one of the most common minerals. Thanks for watching.